Hello learner, welcome to this module on multiplication by Nikhila method. This is a Vedic mathematics method of multiplication. In English we can call this as base method of multiplication. Agenda is we are going to learn to multiply numbers which are nearer to the base values 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Firstly, we shall explore base value 10. Let's take an example 12 into 17. Let's compare these numbers with the base value 10 plus 2 plus 7. Answer, we will have two parts. One is RHS, the second one is LHS. RHS 7 into 2 14. But here in RHS only one place is allowed. Only one digit is allowed. Why? Because the base value 10 has only one zero. So 1 should be taken as carry towards the LHS. In LHS, it is 12 plus 7 or 17 plus 2. Answer will be 19. So 1 carry is added to 19. So final answer will be 204. Let's see one more example 18 into 13. Upon comparing with 10 plus 8 plus 3. 8 into 3 24. Only one digit is allowed. So 2 should be carried to the left hand side. In left hand side it will be 18 plus 3 or 13 plus 8. Answer will be same 21. On adding the carry 2 to 21 it will be 23 4. 234 is the answer. One more example 21 and 26. Here the base value will be 10 but actual working base will be 20. So we will compare the numbers with a 20 plus 1 plus 6. 6 into 1 6. Only one digit is allowed and here also we have one digit, so no problem. Next in LHS 21 plus 6 or 26 plus 1 answer will be 27. But 276 is not your answer. Here actual base is 10 but working base is 10 into 2. So here LHS we had to multiply it by 2 times to get the final answer, that is 546. So this is the answer. Let's take one more example of the same kind 46 into 43. Here the working base is 40 plus 6 plus 3 upon multiplying 18 1 should be carried over to the left hand side. 46 plus 3 or 43 plus 6 49. Now actual base is 10 and working base is 10 into 4 times. So 49 should be multiplied by 4 times to get answer 196. But in right hand side we have one carry, so that should be added to get answer as 197 in the left hand side and 8 in the right hand side. Bring that right hand side to the downwards to get the final answer 1978. Here please remember one thing, first multiply then carry, then add the carry. Okay, so don't first add the carry and then multiply, you will get the wrong answer. Just be careful about that one thing. Now we will see base value 100. Let's take an example 107 into 105. On comparing with 100 plus 7 plus 5. 7 into 5 35. Here two digits are allowed. Why? Because 100 has two zeros. Next left hand side 107 plus 5 or 105 plus 7, answer is 112. So this is the final answer 11,235. Let's see one more example 113 into 109 plus 13 plus 9. 13 into 9 117. Here only two digits allowed, so 1 has to be taken as carry. Left hand side 113 plus 9 or 109 plus 13, answer is same 122. Now carry should be added, so to get the final answer 12317. Now we will see an example where the numbers are less than 100. So far we have saw numbers are exceeding 100. Now we will see numbers less than 100. 97 multiplied by 92. Minus 3, minus 8. 8 into minus 3. So plus 24. So 2 digits are allowed in the right hand side. No problem with that. LHS 97 minus 8 or 92 minus 3. Answer is 89. So that is the final answer, 8924. Let's see one more example where one number is more than 100 and the other number is less than 100. Let's see how to do multiplication here in this case. Compare with 100, plus 9, minus 4. Multiply those two terms. Plus 9 into minus 4, it is minus 36. Next, LHS 109 minus 4 or 96 plus 9, answer is 105. In right hand side, the answer is in negative. So we have to convert that minus 36 into positive. So for that reason, what we have to do is, from 105 we will take 1 carry. So it will become 104. Here the base value is 100. So 1 carry will be equal to 100. So 100 minus 36. In right hand side, answer will be 64. So final answer is 10,464. Let's see one more example, 56 into 58. So the same question can be done with the help of base value 10 by taking 10 into 5. But now we are going to see how to apply base value 100 to this type of numbers. Here the actual base will be 100, but working base will be 100 by 2. Let's see how to do this. Comparing will be with the number 50 only, plus 8 plus 6. 8 into 6, 48. Here 2 digits are allowed because actual base is 100. Next, right hand side, it will be 58 plus 6 or 56 plus 8, answer is 64. But working base is 100 by 2. So LHS must be divided by 2 to get the final answer, that is 3248. So this is how we can do 58 into 56 with the help of base value 100. 308 into 304. Here the working base is 3 times of base value, that is 100 into 3 times. Plus 8 plus 4 on comparing with 300. 8 into 4, 32. Right hand side 32. Left hand side 308 plus 4 or 304 plus 8, 312. But here actual base was 100, working base is 100 into 3. So 312 must be multiplied by 3 to get the final answer, 93632. Let's see one more similar example, 612 into 617. Working base is 600, plus 12 plus 17. So right hand side it will be 204. Since only 2 digits are allowed, 2 should be carried to the left hand side. 612 plus 17 or 617 plus 12. It will be 629. But actual base is 100, working base is 100 into 6, 629 multiplied by 6. First multiply, then carry, just keep in mind. So final answer will be, left hand side it will be 3774. But upon adding carry 2 from the right hand side, it will become 3776. Right hand side 04 is left over. Final answer is 377,604. Now we will see base value 1000. Let's take an example, 1012 multiplied by 1008. Upon comparing with 1000, plus 12 plus 8. So 12 into 8, 96. But here in RHS, 3 digits are allowed. Why? Because the base value 1000 has 3 zeros. So here answer is 96. So it is only 2 digit. So we have to make up it for 3 digit. So we have to add 1 0 there. So RHS will be 096. LHS same, 1012 plus 8 or 1008 plus 12? Answer is 1020. So final answer is 1020096. Let's take one more example where the numbers are less than 1000. Compare with 1000, minus 11, minus 6. Multiply 66. But it is only 2 digit, so we have to make up it for 3 digit, so add one 0 to it. Left hand side, it will be 983. So answer is 983066. Let's take one more example where a number is greater than 1000 and the number is less than 1000. Compare with 1000 plus 90 minus 6. So answer is minus 540. Left hand side, it will be 1084. Now the right hand side should be converted to positive value. So 1084 we have to take one carry. Here one carry value will be equal to 1000. After taking carry 1, it will become, LHS will become 1083. Right hand side, 1000 minus 540. It will be 460. Now answer is 1083460. Let's see one more example where the working base is 4000. That is 4 times of base value. Plus 74 plus 9. 74 into 9. How to calculate that? 74 into 10 minus 74. 666 will be the right hand side. Left hand side, it will be 4083. But this is not the answer. Why? Because the working base is 4000. So multiplied by 4. So the LHS should be multiplied by 4 to get the answer 16,332 and right hand side 666. So final answer will be 16332,666. Lastly, we shall see how to multiply numbers which are near to base value 10,000. Let's take an example. 10,120 multiplied by 10,080. On comparing with 10,000 plus 120 plus 80. Multiply 120 into 80, 9,600 in the right hand side. So in right hand side, 4 digits are allowed. Why? Because 10,000 has 4 zeros. Left hand side, it is 10,120 plus 80 or 10,080 plus 120. Answer is 1,200. 10,200. So final answer is 102009600. 9,989 multiplied by 9,993. Comparing with 10,000, minus 11, minus 7. Minus 11 into minus 7 plus 77. But here 4 digits should be there. So add 2 zeros to make up 4 digits here in the right hand side. Left hand side, it will be 9989 minus 7 or 9993 minus 11. Answer will be same, 9982. The final answer is 99820077. I hope by this time you must have realized the beauty of Nikilam method. In English, we can call it as base method of multiplication. When we supposed to multiply two numbers which are nearer to the base value, then this method is just awesome. Just imagine multiplying a 5-digit number or the 4-digit number which we did before with the traditional method, and just observe how much time and the number of steps it's going to take. So that is the power of Vedic mathematics. So with that, let me wind up the session. A practice sheet is given in the description box. Please give it a try. See you in the next video. Thank you.